Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Link with Bones. Another episode, another week. Thank you so much for tuning in, subscribing. Mad Dog, first better rap yakho before we go to our guest. Touch your mic, Mad Dog.
No, but I told you, this thing ends at 96. So I forgot this thing.
Guys, the rap that Mad Dog has la rap Nathan. But I mean, why Kawian's just one freestyle.
No, that's the thing. So I'm setting that wrong because I need to really put my mind in.
Zangu put your mind ngalami always one.
Ukuthi yeah, but uyakhumbula mos da kubeka somewhere. Da khambilithe dayeka.
Listen, man, quickly before we get to our guest, again, guys, the frats, I didn't do my hair because, my barber was gunned down. Lendo extortion has gotten so bad. Been mamelape radio in other radio show that when I met Dog, it's even gotten to the point whereby kufunwa imali miss esikolweni Eastern Cape. On the same radio show, the other guy writes, no, nase Western Cape ikhona, apparently in 5 schools. Bekufunwe imali protection fee kwizikolo ezi4 or whatever from IMIS. But you know what I didn't like? So as the presenter and the other person that the presenter was calling to talk about this thing, Mamana Besiti, and ngoMisi aba, these people don't even have a business. I'm like, so it means you can extort abanabane business. But you can't extort abanabane business. Because if you push such a narrative, it means then city, right labor man, extort abanabane business. What's your take on that?
Yeah, I think we've accepted I think it's like admitting a defeat.
Yeah,
And
Wena?
because if ngabe I would then make example, or because examples that feels like I have already accepted, ukuthi business people should be extorted, or you understand. But also, for me, it speaks on how the society, because in order for society to accept izinto, it's when the authorities nazo decide that, siyabona ukuthi the authorities are powerless on lezinto lezi. I think that's how things are accepted in the society. Ukuthi, as a community person, you understand, I have less power to fight this thing, and the authorities are not fighting it. So that means we accept it in our mind, and unconsciously we do accept these things. Ukuthi, oh, that means now it's understandable if it happens to these people, but why these people?
But you're
You get
wrong.
that? You're wrong.
I
It's
still
wrong.
say if Lendo asi we don't stand up as society, abantu bazangenelwa ezindlini kuthiwa wena because you are working wherever you are working sifuna imali ethile every month.
Yeah.
They're gonna start extorting abantu ezindlini zabo.
But they are doing it eastern cape. Ngithi eastern cape bangena labo makhulu bafuna imali yegrant, bafuna.
Yazibona ezo zinto. So I think we yazi into bezingayiboni kude sicimba inofika kude, and if you don't stand up as society it's gonna be big. Another story, Mad Dog, before we go to our guest, it's the thing ikamkhwanazi and anobibonile ukuthi the guy they've hired, okay, no, before Mkhwanazi, this big thing in the guy Joburg kududula and other people in the PA bagxotha abantu that come from other African countries, mainly Zimbabwe and I think Malawians and Ethiopians from his clinic, specifically clinic.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
Yeah, I did follow that story, but not like a cool. I think it's one of those things that, like I'm saying, it feels normal. Ngoku. Yabona ukuthi we have this. But listen, Mina, this is what I think.
Yeah.
I still want to go back to, for instance, yabona endlini ne, if ngabe nginabantwana endlini,
Yeah.
and then aunt athi ngicela uthatha abantwana bami bazohlala pha ku endlini. You understand? So if abantwana bami, they are raising questions and complaints about this thing,
Yeah.
my responsibility as a leader endlini is to sit them pants and say, okay, listen, Mandaba, this won't be a problem. Or we will solve it like the sleeping arrangements are going to be like this. You understand? So we prepare together with abantwana bami. But the problem about lento eyenzeka pha eyenzwa iDudula, I'm not saying it right, but I'm saying this thing has been coming.
So
And people have been talking about e-services, e-clinics, yonke lento leyo. You understand? So now, people from outside are here. Things are overpopulated.
Yeah,
You understand? And our leaders failed to address lezinto lezi long time ago.
So don't you think ukuthi the country is gonna explode at some point? Like we're ticking time bomb. Ukuthi
No, it will.
people are just gonna go crazy, baqala utotoya, and our leaders are not doing nothing.
It will, because listen, complaints abantu are real. The complaints of South Africans are real.
Yeah, it's genuine
They're
complaints.
genuine
yeah,
complaints.
It's
you
genuine
understand?
complaints. Yeah.
And if ngabe if we would equip our clinic way too and build more, and you understand, for Jongapi Kayamand, there's been a land to extend the clinic. When is it going to happen?
Dala natural land we hlala pa for the
You
next
get the
20
idea?
years.
So
It
if-
took 20 years for that
Yeah.
fence.
You know? So imagine if ngabe, because we have nurses abahleli emakhaya. So
Yeah.
if government build the infrastructure that will get those nurses in those places, you understand? Social workers, yonke bonke labantu that work nabantu, because we have to help labantu abasuka ngaphandle.
Yeah.
They have to be accommodated in our clinic, in our
Yeah.
services. Now, we mention the pregnant women. But abomama pregnant.
I think kaloku it operation to dula because I think must call a producer nigga ugly eye there. It must go to the guest. But I think iti indoyabo the illegal ones. And if they are legal, ne? Then nigga buy private hospitals, because that's what the constitution says. It says if public facilities are only for South African citizens. And therefore if you're a foreigner, whether illegal or legal, ne, but not a citizen of the country, then zikhona private clinics and hospitals that are there to accommodate you. But public facilities mazinga overburdenwa ngabantu bangaphandle.
Jogabra, if I make a policy, ne?
Yeah.
Eti apa we accommodate abantu be wheelchair.
Yeah.
You understand? Then I need to make the wheelchair ramps.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I cannot make a policy that is not, because our no mungayapi private, no mungayapi, because that can work for a country that at least has the foreign people have enough money to afford, because I think that thing is for foreign.
This guy is sorry, this guy is gonna kill us. But this is a last statement. But kaloku the Ethiopian and the Somalians, those guys have shops banai mali, so they can go to the private healthcare, but they want to milk the public healthcare.
Yeah, I know, but then that's the same thing. Yukuthi, but there's lots of foreigners abakhona. How do you say you are rich, you are not rich?
Then
When
kaloku-
umuntu sakapha clinic nesizwe esikhulu ufuna uncedo ngoku.
No, but the thing is, aba bani cool, and then if man say bangu sister wam, cow is impregnated by an Ethiopian. See, that's where it gets tricky.
Yeah, I mean,
But yeah, we will continue Mad Dog about this. But Mad Dog, please just a rhyme, man.
must come again. Producer, you can start the count.
Okay, guys. So today, as I said, I don't do an intro for my guest. I allow them to introduce themselves because upper we interview or we speak with abantu that are what you call your ordinary people, because we feel like to interview or to have conversation with celebs and stuff instead of the ordinary people that are doing great work within our communities, they're not celebrated enough. So namhlanje no siswethu, she'll introduce herself. I've known her for a very, 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 very long time, and I've said to her I'm gonna bring her here for a very long time, and now she's finally here. Molo sis,
Molo bhuti,
kunjani?
ndiyaphila inkosi njani?
Ndiyaphila namakhondo. Igama?
Igama ndingukholiswa efana intubula.
As in, sitting Operation Dubula and you're Tutula, but anyway, same thing. Dubula, okay.
Dubula, yeah.
So shoot.
Yes.
When, okay. So igama unale English? I'm joking.
Andizange ndilifune.
How do you choose igama lakho?
Ndalichuza because ngoku besise primary.
Yeah.
Yes, besithiywa ngomiss.
Okay.
Yeah, so ndandithiywe uMavis.
Yo, wanceda reject.
Then ndathi ndi-okay ngukholiswa.
Wena?
Andimfundi uMavis.
You don't want Mavis? No, that's good, man.
Where's Mavis? Nami nginayo ingxaki ngalabantu abasifama I have a problem with that also. It's I ninalo nam, but I never introduce myself.
What is it? Dixon?
Christoph.
Oh, Christoph. Oh.
Yeah, I never introduce myself like that.
Hi, Chris.
Because of why sinikwela magama.
Yeah, exactly, that was my point.
Okay, guys, we're not here to fight but names, It's okay. Analo mna, but dinalo ngu Bones. That's nigga ngokwam,
Okay.
Yeah. bantwana babanigezela bathi mathambo bantwana bakhoyo. You know, igama katata wami nobanzolazi sena 16 or 15. But anyway, so tell us, man, ngubani uSmakholi, because I believe here ubizwa uSmakholi, and yeah, ngubani if someone can say, just explain bangubani ukholiswa. Ukholiswa?
Yes.
Yes, ungathini?
Ukholiswa ndisuka eNgcobo okokuqala, ndizalelwe eNgcobo, ndakhulela eNgcobo.
Ingcobo is a rural area
As a rural
in
area
Eastern Cape.
in the Eastern Cape,
Yes.
yes. Ukukhula kwami eNgcobo ndikhule ndafunda khona ndenza yonke into lande kuthiwa primary school.
Yeah.
Yes.
Abangaphansi.
Yes. Andikhuliswanga ngabazali bam. Kodwa ke nobe ndisenza ngokwangoku.
Ndiyathanda
That
udlala
was-
i-mic, madam,
That
don't
was
be
grade
mad.
2.
Yeah.
Ngeli xesha langoku ke besinothi due to neglect and abuse, ndaye ndawuhlala ku-aunty wam, udadobawo ke, sister katatam.
And that's grade?
Ngokwangoku this is grade 2.
So before that, buhlala nabazali.
Bendihlala nabazali.
Okay, cool. And then
Yes.
go grade 2, standard, sub big dala ne?
Yes.
Wahamba.
Ndahamba ndawuhlala nabazali.
Wamenzo oyomncinci? Did you?
Ndamenzo eyomncinci,
Eyomphakathi.
ndamenzo eyophakathi, ndamenzo eyomkhulu.
Tell me, Mad Dog, sorry. Hey, khona into Joburg.
Yeah, bra, mina bengisesikolweni for more than 12 years.
Ongazange ufail. So nase Joburg ekhona eyomncinci, eyomkhulu, eyophakathi.
Yeah, thina sifundile, bra. Not le nto yenza abantwana bami.
Okay. So wahamba ke after grade 2.
Yes.
Wayohlala it's still you still eNgcobo.
Ewe kuseseNgcobo,
Okay.
kwenye ilali.
Okay.
Phakathi kwezizathu ke ezandibangela into yobana ndiyohlala naye, kwakukhona nempilo eyayingekho right. Wabona into yobana hayi man kudala kuzanywa, abazali besise emagqirheni besiya ngapha besiwa bevuka, but impilo ingade be right.
Impilo kabani, if I may ask?
Impilo yami.
Oh yakho. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Then
Oh, so
yayenye
auntie
yezizathu.
wangen, so auntie intervened ke
Wangenelela,
ngoku because your
yes.
health was okay, cool.
Yes. Ukundithatha kwakhe ke undithatha esithi ufuna ukhe atraye kuba abazali sebetryile bona amagqirha nezinye inkonzo ke ezinyangayo. Kwabikho nto incedakalayo, so yena wandithatha esithi ke ngoku ufuna utraya yena uYesu.
Oh wow, really?
Yes, akabona uba uYesu lona yena uzokwenza ompumahluko. And ke ngela xesha ke ndandingazi into ngaYesu, ndandizange ndive nokuva ngoYesu.
Oh wow.
Ndandisazi nje uba kukho there is God. But Jesus, the name, even the name Jesus,
Awungalazi.
ndandingalazi. So
Wow.
it was for first time kuba ndive uba hayi man ukhona uYesu.
Tell me, umakazi wako, so it's from your mother's side?
Father side.
It's from your father's side, okay, cool.
Yes. Then xa ndixelelwa ngoYesu ndaqonda into yobana hayi man guys, are you serious ngoku, because senditsho uba nithi ndizawuncedwa nguYesu, ndibe ndincanywe ngamagqirha, ndibe senditsho uba zininzi into ezizanyweyo but khange ndincedakale. So ngoku nizondixelela ngoYesu, noYesu ekuthiwa ndizawuvele ndiphakamise isandla ndivume ngenhliziyo ndimamkele. For me that was impossible.
It was like a joke.
Yes. Then but as times goes on kwakhona into ethi kum, let me try this ndibone uba.
And this is the time you're living with your aunt.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
After I moved
You
ndizohlala
moved,
naye.
okay,
Yes.
yeah.
I still remember the day, and it was on a Wednesday evening. Inkonzo yayingenela pha kwa aunt.
Wow, and today is also a Wednesday evening. Okay, that's good. It's a sign. Because we're supposed to do this, we were supposed to have this conversation yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah.
So your stomach.
So okay, let me try this ke ndibone uba, because kwakhona into ethi kum akho ndizawuwasteka xa ndiye ndaphakamisa isandla ndavuma ndamamkela uYesu, yabo mandiyibone this gonna work na, then ndasiphakamisa isandla ndamamkela uYesu. Since that day I was held.
Wow, and this is almost kwa grade 2.
Yes. Then ndahlala ke ngoku no-aunty, and to extend that I was scared to go back home
Wow.
because ndandinento ethi what if, because
Iphinde yavuka.
yes, because eyona nto yayindigulisa according to abantu ke ndandisiwa kubo, ndandinento ekuthiwa ngamafufunyana.
Shucks, how do you explain that in English?
Demons.
Yeah, but amafufunyana are the demon
No,
as
ayzo
such,
demons,
but
but
the
ke-
mini demons, amademon amancinci.
Yeah.
Ne? What is it, my dog?
Kuthiwa ke ngoku, because the reason ndandisisiwa ebantwini ne amagqirha kwakusithiwa kufuneka kufakwe amadoda ne.
Men,
Yes, like ngendlela ababiza ngawo, wona azobulala,
amafufunyana.
ewe awenza angabi namandla.
And then bona hlala thini ke ngamadoda xa bekhona?
Ayakukhusela kaloku apha kula
Then uhlala unawo kokoko?
for the rest of your life. Uphila nawo. Then uba under like ayakucontrola ke ngoku wona xa efuna uvuka ngexesha lawo ayavuka, adimande afuna ukwenza loo nto afuna uyenza ngomzimba wakho.
So is it dibene nokuthwasa or
Ayidibenanga.
oh
I think I have an
But ayafakwa wo, amafufunyana wona ayazingenela ne. Then xa befind out into yobana eyona nto ikugulisayo ngamafufunyana, then ke ngoku awanyangeki okanye awakhutshwa, kufuneka kufakwe amadoda instead.
and then
Wona
amadoda men
overpower.
the fufunyanas.
Yes.
And then bona ke ngoku amafufunyana angabi namandla. But asekhona xa unamandla.
Asekhona but akanamandla.
But then ke ngoku amadoda ayahlala ekhona emzimbeni wakho kokoko.
Yes. Then anemini zawo zovuka. I remember bakhona abantu endandibazi bakuthiwa banamadoda. Bemane besenza into ezifana ezoyikisayo. So I was also scared of that.
So awabuyela endlini.
No.
Shwa.
Ndahlala no-aunty, ndade ndaba mdala enough understand the authority endinayo.
Tell me ndo kusaphila.
Nowasweleka.
Man, bani kama lakhe?
Yayingibani igama lakhe?
Anyway, shout out to Aunt. Okay, akasekho ngoku Aunt to see you.
sasifakwe
wayetshate
impama
kwamaceba.
phela mawuthi anti zibani bani kuthiwa kuthela ungasundibiza ngegama so uthi anti libala igama.
Wow, man.
Then ke ngokundisindisiweyo ndalinda ifaith yam to grow strong.
So after ke uphakamise isandla waqhubeka wayecaweni.
Yes, ndaqhubeka ndayicaweni.
Oh, okay.
Ndakhonza and ke ngoku
All
yiyona
the way
nto-
up until you got to high school maybe.
Yes.
Okay, wow.
Yiyona nto yayindimotivate because kulaa nto yoba andikho sure ubuseyifu bam kwezi zinto kubone la madoda nezinto ntoni ba xa ndiba ngoku ndiyayeka ukhonza azizobuya na. So for me, in order for me to be safe kufuneka ndithi make sure
Because usebenza the same concept. This is actually so usebenza the same concept yokuthi amadoda afika abulale. So ufuneka uhlala unawo. So ingqondweni yakho like nintsindiso andikwazi uyilahla
Andikwazi
because
uyiphuma
uyilahla
kuyo.
kwam izophinde avuke ezinto.
Yes.
Not
So
understanding that uYesu kills them completely.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Until ke ngoku I reached a stage so understand ke into bana now that I'm saved, I'm a child of God, the authority endinayo andinoyisebenzisa ndingaphili in fear, yabo,
Yeah.
yoba ndizazi uba now that ndisindisiwe I'm free. Yabo
Wow.
kuzo zonke ezi zinto.
So until what age buhleli phano auntie?
Ndihleli no-aunty wasweleka ngo-1997. After eswelekile ndahlala nomakoti wakhe, which is unkosikazi wekhaya.
Guys, this is Munda lo usenzela umlilo. Sorry about that.
Okay. So after eswelekile u-aunty unkosikazi ka-cousin brother wami which means umolokazana ka-aunty continued ke ngoku playing irole yoba ngumzali.
Since you were nine.
Since
She also
we were
saved,
nine,
okay.
yes. Sahlala sonke until 2000 cousin sister wam decided ukundithatha ndiyohlala naye ebephangela eBhisho. Wathi ke yena ke reason yakhe umama, which means u-auntie wam, wathi kuye she wanted into yobana one day kube khona i-graduate kokwabo. So lo graduate izoba ndim umntana kabrother wakhe.
Wow.
So yena ke wanala nto ba okay ngoku umama akasekho
Akasekho, she
uswelekile, and
passed
ke
on.
ngoku mna bendisese primary at that time.
Yeah.
Then yena ke ngoku xa ndisenza i-high school she will take over so that ndizokwazi into yobana ndiqhubeleke ndiye e-tertiary.
Okay, so now by the time you're going to Ebhisho, are you in high school?
Yes, I was in high school.
Okay, so you're in high school at that time?
Yes.
And then, so you finished your high school, ugqibezele Ebhisho?
No bendiseMonti ebephangela eBhisho yena but sihlala
Oh,
eMonti.
nihlala eMonti, okay, okay.
Ephangela
So, wayigqibezela lapha high school yakho?
ndayigqibezela lapha yana high school yeah.
Okay, and then after that?
In fact zange ndiyigqibe because grade 12 ndamfunda andampasa.
But just wait, sorry man, before we get to that stage. So how was it growing up as Lalina? After you've been healed and everything, and maybe even before if you have some stuff, how was it growing up there in rural Eastern Cape, Engcobo?
Mandithethe kuqala ekungase ekhaya before
Yeah.
ndiye
Kwa-aunt,
kwa
okay,
auntie.
yeah, yeah.
Life was very difficult at that time because ininzi yethu into yayisenzeka lento ndithi uba bekuleli xesha langoku besizothetha nge-abuse, besizothetha nge-neglect because there were a lot of emotional neglect from parents.
How many kids were you guys?
Sasibayi-2 ngelaa xesha isendim nobrother wam.
Okay. Who's older?
Ubrother wami mdala,
Okay.
then mna ndize emva kwakhe.
How many years apart?
How many years? 4 years.
4 years, okay, cool.
But ubrother wam yena wayesetyenziswa kakhulu kulaa nto yokolusa.
Yeah, to go out and,
Yes, and ekhaya at that time
take care of the cattle.
kwangekho zi-kettles.
so he was being used in other houses.
Yes.
So eminye imizi elalini would use him to go and do
Yes.
cattle work for them. So he didn't go to school much.
No, you have to drop out of school and full time.
Kettling other people's cattle. Wow,
Yes.
sure.
So endlini ke ngoku it's like hayi ndim ndedwa because yena most of the time
he's out.
akakho ne. Then umama ke ebengumntu umuntu oselelayo, and ke emakhaya ukusela kwasemakhaya kokwa everyday because akuphangelwa. Akho weekend ezilalini. Weekend
Every day.
because
Monday
akho muntu uyamsebenzini. So
Sure.
like usela yayinto ya everyday. Then ke ngoku i-neglect ivela kokwakusela.
Because now she's a mother and you're a seller, so you're
Yes,
emotional.
emotionally,
She's not there for you.
there, yes.
But and look, I know now. I mean, we'll get to that. I know now your social work and everything. We'll get to that. Now, with that experience of a social worker, you know, with stuff like that, I always think, Uguti, it's easy to blame the mother. But what if she was going through her own stuff? I know Uguti mama she needs to be responsible. But I mean, what if she never had that support and she was just going through maybe? I'm not saying it right. But my question is, what if could there be a possibility that Tlaminaya, she's dealing with her own stuff and she doesn't know how to handle this whole situation? Possible, on?
Yeah, it is possible. Most of the time it's because of umuntu kuba esithi go through a lot, abe depressed. So njengoba depressed ke ngoku i-coping mechanism yakhe kokwakusela.
So now that you're older, you understand it better.
Yes.
But back then, obviously, as a child, you didn't.
And ke it helps into ba ufike kwesa stage so you understand because iyakuhilisha. Uba mhlawumbe ubungumuntu ongakwazi.
Okay, I think Maslinde
ukuxolela.
put more on that crib up. Hey, sorry about that.
Okay.
So you busacho ke ukuthi it's a coping mechanism and it's a right that ufikele kwixesha where you understand it.
So that uzokwazi ukumxolela because sometimes abanye baye babe ne grudges okanye umuntu abe ne anger towards abazali ngenxa ye experience okanye ngenxa ye trauma baye baku expose kuyo, and xa ungumntwana mos vulnerable you can't protect yourself.
Yeah.
You need parents to protect you. But if kwabona abantu befana bayakuprotect abaku-expose kwizinto ezizo
That will harm you, no?
harm you at the end of the day,
Yeah.
then uba ne-anger ke ngoku towards bona. But once you understand uba, oh, okay, naye she was going through a lot.
So, but now, did you understand that? Or did you, now that you're older, did you know that your mother was going through a lot?
Yes.
Okay. So then obviously the forgiveness and all those things came.
Yeah, I understand because ngoku ndiba mdala ndake ndahlala naye phansi ndancokola and wa-discloser.
Oh, shame, some of the stuff, ne?
Yes, ezazimenza abe kwesaa simo
hlobo.
wayekuso.
Oh, that's good, man. You know, I always say that. I always say it's easy to blame umtu, but if we don't understand ubusuka, because I also say I can't do something I've never seen. Or I can, but I'll do it very wrongly. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So if I'm doing something I've never seen, if I've never seen parenting, it's going to be very difficult for me to parent. Did you get it? So if I was neglected as a child and I was never brought into a space and really be told by the time they're young, that child and that teen, chances are I will do the same thing to my kids because that's what I think parenting is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but
that's
anyway.
true.
Okay, so now you're cooler, and so you're saying that was the bad side of Kowen, you know, there was neglect, there was all of that, and so you're saying in that sense was not good.
No. And the abuse, physical abuse was also bad.
But tell me, was school encouraged? Kowen?
No, not at all. Uyaya esikolweni if uyafuna, awuyi esikolweni if awufuni.
Sure.
And ke kwelam icala it was worse ngoba apha ngoku kukhona because umama wayewanomnye umntwana. Then ulo mntwana ke ngoku kuzofuneka kucelwe umuntu ozosheka naye xa ifuneka eye etywaleni emigidini entonini, but ifuneka ndibe khona to assist.
Lo mntu ozoshaya
Ewe.
nomntana.
So xa kufuneka eye emgidini okanye phi nafuneka ndingayi esikolweni.
Sure.
Ndizohlala ndizoncedisa
During the week?
emntaneni. But ke I don't know how, but ndandinayo laa zili ifuna ufunda.
Tell me, your friends, how was that? What? Phezulanza befuna bona esikolweni?
Umuntu ubuyafuna uvuka esikolweni yaye uba kafuna kayo. Akho mntu wayekhuthaza loo nto, but ke
Even amongst your friends?
Yes.
Okay, wow. So when you just, that's all
Mna ke
just came naturally.
ndandinalaa nto ndiqomba isikolo yona nto ndiyifunayo.
Even before you went to
Uhlala
your
ku-aunt,
aunt, do you know where it came from? Maybe that's all.
And ngoku ndisendibona uba le nto kuthiwa God know his plans ngobomi bethu. No, I know the plans I have for you. So uThixo wanted to make sure that ndiyaya esikolweni. Irrespective of circumstances
and
endikhulela kuzo, yes. Yeah, because nam and understand ifuna nokukhonza. As much as bako kungakhonzwa wonke umuntu kungahoyanga nto yankonzo kungahoyanga nto yasikolo, but ndandikwazi ukuba ndivuke ndihlambe on a Sunday ndihlale phandle ndijonge umuntu onxibe iuniform.
And this is while you're still living with your parents?
Yes.
Wow.
Nobuya oqale wathi gqi nobuya eRhabe nobuya eChurch nobuya eSt John's.
Hamba naye xa?
Ndihamba naye, but I just want ukuya enkonzweni.
Wow.
Yabo. Naleyo andiyazi kuba
Ivela phi,
kwaya
where did it
ivelaphi,
come
but
from?
ndandinalaa nto uba ngecawe mandibe secaweni. Although ndandinga-understandi kwaloo nto yenziwayo ecaweni,
But you just wanted to be
I
there?
want to be there.
Wow.
Noba understand and mind uba ndiye ewisile kule cawa kule cawa izawundaye eRhabe kule yandaye
As long you're in the church, ka?
ndisecaweni kanye ndaye eSt John's endandingayifuni endandingayifuni endandingayithandi yiZion.
Ungathanda ujikeleza?
Ndandingadibani negubu.
Cawe ka-Mad Dogs, yona ilethu.
Mina ke sis. Izayoni, you know, there's especially these conversations, these fights, these debates would be that is uThixo works or uThixo doesn't work.
Yeah.
Mina ngaprofetwa eZion ukuthi ngizoba ngumshumayeli.
Yamva ke mqalile ke uMad Dog yona.
Ndaprofetwa eZion ukuthi ngizoba ngumshumayeli.
And unguye
And
umshumayeli
it's-
ngoku.
you get the idea. So ngikulela eZion ke. But besingabethi isigubhu kusizayo.
I think ndandinokuya kwengabethi isigubhu, but hey hayi
The Kobu.
andingakwazi.
Honestly, another rhythm, nah, it will never work for me. Okay, oh, that's really interesting. So now, wahamba waya ka-aunt wakho, now you get this church. Now, how was life there, girls? Just socially speaking, in terms of friends, school, was school encouraged, pana?
Kakhulu, because everyone wabesiya
Yo, Munda,
esikolweni
think this is
and
good, man.
i-cousins zami uthi abantwana baka-anti bonke ba well educated bephangela kwindawo like for instance cousin lo bendihlala naye eMonti phangela kwa premier of the office eBisho.
Wow.
So bonke and into yemfundo phayana ibi-competition actually
Amongst the siblings?
yes.
Oh, wow.
Ne-extended
Oh,
family
family, wow.
bekukhompithwa uba umuntu ugqibe i-degree it's not enough
Funeka aye kwi-honours.
Kufuneka aye kwi-honors aye kwi-masters
Masters,
then
wow.
bayakhuthazana
Wow.
kuba awukwazi kaloku uba nomxayo oyi-one.
Funeka ube neqwa emibini.
Ewe xa unegawuni emnyama kuthiwa ukwazi uhlala negawuni
Funeka ube nayo
emnyama, funeka
ipepuli.
ube ne-red. Yabo, so that was the competition eyayikhona so nathi ke ngoku isipusha into yoba
Ne?
funda.
Wow, that's good, man. So tell me, so now ke uyafunda eMonti. No, so sorry, man, bensabuza. So your life socially, pana, with friends, how was it? Was it a little bit better than going?
Yes.
So-
Endlini besibaninzi so beningena-friends outside.
Or so your friends are busy?
Lapha because sonke sisindisiwe sithetha ilanguage eyi-one. So for us that was good.
So you enjoyed life there?
Yes,
You
kakhulu.
escaped from the, so there you got the emotional, what, neglect,
Emotional support
Ibikhona.
and you feel love, sense of belonging, yonke laa nto. Because ukubona laa nto emakhaya xa u-abuswa especially physically ude ube nalaa nto yoba inoba andingowalapha. So awunayo la sense of belonging kodwa kukokwenu ukubona but le ndlela utreatwa ngayo ikwenza ube nee-questions into yobana ingaba ngumama manyani lo.
Because
Ingaba
if nguye,
ngutata
yeah, why
mnyani?
would they treat me like this?
Exactly. Yabo.
Yeah.
But phayana you feel I remember ufika kwam obhuti bakhona like evening ne-friends ze-cousins zam. Xa befikile they will give you hugs and kisses. So
Ndiyawuqhelanga loo nto.
yeah, for me that was very awkward. But ndibona abanye besiya ndiqoma yo wes umuntu ongutata. Zange ndayifumana ihage kumuntu ongutata, zange iwasada akuphuze. Ngiqonda hayi ke ngoku ingathi it's too much ukubona. But as times goes on because ndibabona aba bantu bayenza with love,
yeah.
then I end up comfortable. And oko ngoku xa bekhona you get excited because azobuzawufumana those warm hugs and kisses.
And you never got that at home?
No. And their compliments, unconywe, you look good, you look beautiful.
And you never got that at home?
Nalaa nto yokubuzwa esikolweni,
Bebe
how are you
kunjani?
doing, ustrugglisha phi, yabona into
So those
ezinjalo.
things play a huge role in a child?
Motivate, yes.
Wow.
You get motivated and then xa ubhala exams you want to do good so that uzobabonisa i-report yakho because uyayazi toba you will be rewarded.
Ne? Wow, no. I'm learning a lot here, guys. Okay, cool. Now you move, and then what happens after matric or during matric? Busacho something about matric?
I-matric zange ndiyipase because zange ndibhale. Okay, ndabhala but andagqiba due to i-accident endandaba involved kuyo. So affect mentally. I have to be admitted. Kuthiwa ngesasibhedlela sise-Queenstown but i-Socratic Hospital.
Oh, sure.
So I
Okay.
think ndabaphayana for 6 months. Then ndathatha ixesha ukurecoverisha. Uba ndiphinde ndibe
Car accident?
Oh, it was a car accident.
During your matric year?
Yeah, June. It was June holidays.
Oh, wow.
Yes. I tried ukuqhubeleka nesikolo but ndakhopha then I end up doing
accident?
after the accident.
After the accident, okay.
Then i-matric ndithe xa ndisendiphinda ke ngoku ndiphayana eMonti. Ndithi okay, let me do i-matric yam. I was advised by i-cousin yam uba mandiyenze i-matric part time, which means ndiyenze i-night school and then attenda eMdantsane. A reason why xa ndifika mna ndifike enobaba. So she suggested into yobana okay mandithi take care of ubaba wakhe during the day xa semsebenzini. Then xa ebuya emsebenzini ndiye esikolweni.
Yeah.
Ne?
Okay, makes sense.
Yes, and then wathi ke i-reasons zakhe ufuna ukuseva imali angaqeshi u-aunty. Yes, so
ukhona,
that
yeah.
kwi-following year ndizoya e-tertiary abe nemali to
support you in tertiary, okay.
Yeah. But it didn't work. Ndandingakhophi e-night school because i-hours ase-night school zimbalwa. You attend only 2 hours. Then xa ufika endlini emini you have to take care of umntwana. You don't have time to study and nokwenza izinto zakho zesikolo because umntwana wayesemncinci at that time, so ufuna yonke attention.
Yeah. Makes sense.
And bendisandicinga ngoba kanene ngela xesha zasezikhona it was 2001 zasezikhona i-huggies okanye
Ipampers zazikhona, zikhona.
but usisi wayesebenza only emanapkeni nawo itawuli.
That means those nappies that you wash,
Yes.
you are raised on those then.
So ngoku every day une-washing
Yeah, amanapkeni,
yomntwana
yeah.
namanapkeni yonke loo nto leyo. But kuthe kuselapho ke kuloo process we receive i-report yoba ubrother wam ke ulo bendikhula naye.
Robesolusi.
Yes, elapha eKapa yena.
The shepherd.
Who was involved in a car accident.
Oh, sure.
Yes. So at that time ke ngoku ndasendizenzela u-matric wam private ndiphangela.
Okay. Emonti still.
Part-time, yes.
Okay.
A KFC. Then I have to drop everything and come to Cape Town because the doctors were looking for someone who was out to take care of him. Discharged.
Oh, from the hospital.
Yes.
Okay.
So what discharged esibhedlele then waya eLintagiye, wayeseGottesgill, wayeLintagiye. So ngokaseLintagiye they were looking for someone else abazamtrainer
Oh,
oba
to
how
take
to take care of him.
What happened to him?
Why we involved in car accident.
Oh,
Then waba paralyzed.
okay.
Then I have to come ke ngoku because ndim omdala then bengo cystic abancinci.
Yeah.
Xa ndifika apha eCape Town ndaphinda ndaqomba he kanena ndikabi na matric.
Hey, le matric yasokolisa.
Yasokolisa le matric ine-challenges.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do because I have to take care of him.
Yeah.
Akasikwazi umshiya yedwa during the day. At the same time funeka ndifune umsebenzi because wayephangela umsebenzi yoba uzawuthi xa ulimele umsebenzi uphelile akho nto ifumanayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Then ngoku I have to think into yobana okay kufuneka kutyiwe. Okay funeka ndimnakekele but funeka sityile at the end of the day. Yabo. Ndinayo nale matric yam endifuna ukuba ndiyigqibezele. So ndiza kwenza njani? Okay mandiphangele mandifuna umsebenzi ndiphangele.
Guys, sorry, man. Aniva le noise? Yeah. Balapha yadini? Are you sure? Okay. Ne? Okay. Ikhona. Unless ndivinto zam. But anyway, sorry. Yeah, even, yeah, ikhona.
So ndafuna umsebenzi ndawufumana umsebenzi. Ndaqonda okay let me ask eKhayamandi, ndiyazi eKhayamandi ndiyaqala ukufika eKhayamandi. Ask around if there is any night school.
So when you arrived at Bekamandi, where did you arrive?
Ndafika lapho kubrother wam.
Okay, Hlala.
Yes, wayehlala eCostaland.
Okay.
Yes. So ndakwazi ku-attenda i-classes.
This is 3 years in now trying to get matric.
I-matric, yes.
Okay.
Then ndafika eMakhuphula. Ndakhothoma nje eMakhuphula ngo-7.
At the time, I say Kayamandi High.
IseKhayamandi. yes.
Again, Kayamandi is a township in the outskirts or in Stellenbosch. Yeah. Second oldest township in the country.
So xa ndifika ndibuze hayi ndizocela ubuza kodwa okay linda bazawufika abantu. Xa befika khe ndatsho uba no ndifuna uregister for night school and kwabe kungoMarch. Kodwa sisi ulate because kuyabhalwa ngoJune. Se uqalwe ufundwa last year ngoJune.
Yeah,
Then
sure.
mna ndifika
Ufika
ngoMarch.
ngoMarch.
Wabe sithi lo tishala no but i-forms zifikile namhlanje for abantu abazorectifya i-information yabo. then ndingakufaka
Qalisa,
phaa
yeah.
usesukhawuleze but uthi make sure yonke into yakho it's
Right.
right because ayizuphinda zibuye. Then I did that, bazithumela, and then nda-attend classes.
During that time.
Yes, so I have to ke ngoku to register only 3 subjects ngelaa xesha.
Okay.
Yes, ndaregistra ii-subjects ziyi-3, kuJuni sabhala, ndazipasa. Kunyaka olandelayo ndaphinda ndaregistra another subject, ndazibhala, ndazipasa. So xa kubuya ke ngoku i-statement of symbol sam ndaqonda, oh wow, ndizipasile zonke, let me do i-combination ndizofumana i-certificate,
Yeah.
ne-matric certificate yam.
So this is
Then I
4
did
years
that.
in now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
matric ndamenza for 2 years.
Sure.
Ngathi ndiseyunivesithi
Sit,
nje.
yeah.
After that ke ndasicombine certificate sam. On the other hand ndiyaphangela. So ndibuye emsebenzini, ndileqa endlini, ndifike ndiqiniseke ndimhlambile ubhuti, utyile, yonke into ndiyenzile, then ndileqa esikolweni. But at that time ngoku ndenza lento uye wadevelopa i-bed sores. Because kaloku akubikho mntu
Umguqula, to turn him
during the
around,
day,
yeah.
yes, ne. Then kwafuneka ndimbuyisele esibhedlele, bamtrite phayana then zabangcono. Into eyanceda ke ngoku kukuba ndihambe ndibheke ekliniki ndiyoxela phaa uba yeyi ndinale mthwalo,
You have this
ndicela
problem, yeah.
uncediswa. Yes, then ke ubathumela i-hospice during the day xa ndingekho. I-hospice iyeza izomjonga baqiniseke uba he is fine. Then ndatsho ndakwazi ke ukuqhubeleka ke nobomi uba ndifunde ndiphangele at the same time.
Upangela, where were you working at the time?
Ndandiphangela eMontague Gardens,
So you were Waumangi train.
ndandihamba ngetrain.
So ukhwela train apha Stellenbosch. Go all the way to Montague Gardens.
Yes.
Uhleka yaphi usually?
No, ndandisehlika eGoodwood.
Sasikhwela sonke train guys, that's why I know, I was there. I was there.
Yeah, wonke umntana esikolo ndiyakhumbula.
Yeah.
So but by God's grace ndayipasa ke i-matric yam, then ndabona okay, now that I have matric in my mind and ba okay, let me do into ezaba quick, ne, ndifumane umsebenzi noko ozaba right, mandenze i-license. After ndenze i-license ndenze i-course ye-administration. So
okay.
in my mind ndiba ndizaba ne-matric, ndibe ne-license, ndibe ne-admin,
And then you get a job
yabona,
as an admin
noko.
clerk somewhere.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So that was i-plans zam.
Yeah.
Ngoku ndiphangela phayana kwakhona kwathiwa kukhona kufunwa umntu, one of the children's home apha eKhayamandi ozawuassista phayana. Then ndaqonda khathi ke ndiye and try my luck kuzawuba lula usebenza apha
But wait,
eKhayamandi.
how many years did you use the train?
2 years.
Sebenza apha kulo msebenzi, 2 years. Wow.
Xa ndifika phayana kwathiwa okay ndiwufumene umsebenzi ndizawuphangela phaa. Then ke for me that was wow because it's closer now.
But now you haven't done your license.
No.
And you haven't done the admin course. Okay.
Ndaphangela phayana.
And you have the experience of looking after someone, and that's a children's home, so it
Yes.
can work to your advantage. Okay.
So ngoku ndiphangela phaa ndiqonda okay kanene bendingumntu oza kwenza
Sense,
i-license.
yeah.
Yes, man sesendiyenza i-license yam. Then ke ndaphinda ndayokwenza ilenasi, ndathatha ii-lessons. Ndisekulo process kwakhona nje i-strong feeling ethi go to the university ngale matric. Qomba yo e-university and ke
But
ngoku
wait, because I know your story. At this time, there's a child as well somewhere. Yeah?
yes.
Okay, but continue, yeah?
With the child, yes, there was a child.
Child, yes,
8 months at that time.
Where usebenza when you're working in a vineyard.
Yes.
Okay.
So ndiqoma okay no ndifuna ustadisha, okay let me do this. Ndenza njani, ndiyayeka ngokuphangela ndiye esikolweni full time, and that was a huge challenge actually.
What drove that decision? Ukuthi, you know what? I'm stopping to work. I want to go to school full time. What made you take such a decision?
Ngoku ndiphangela phayana evineyard looking after these kids. Ngabantwana abaplacewa zi-social workers. They
Yeah.
were removed from i-care yabazali
Bazali,
babo,
yeah.
abanye abanabazali. Then njeme ndi take care of bona, I've realized into yobana okay I don't have knowledge on how to deal
with the
with
kids.
the kids. I can say that bane special needs because they come from different background and they were exposed with different traumas. So their behavior yabo
It's
it's
different.
So now you don't know how to handle this behavior because you're not trained.
Yeah.
And then you find yourself causing more damage.
Because
Again,
now frustrated.
Yes, you feel overwhelmed,
Overwhelmed,
and
yeah.
then you say izinto ubungekho suppose uba uyazithetha like into yobana ingathi abakho grateful. You are here, you sacrifice for them, taking care of them, you sacrifice your own kids, your
Sure.
own family, you see. But it doesn't make it better
For the kids.
for the kids.
Because
Instead,
aba-understand because they're
aba-understand
kids.
kwale nto uyithethayo.
Because bangabantwana ekugqibeleni.
Exactly. And they don't want to be here. And they don't want you because they know that you are not their mother. Or, yebo. So
Is that
they,
how it is at children's homes?
they project their anger
Apha kuwe.
apha kuwe.
Sure.
So the one day I was praying and asking God to give me wisdom to handle their behavior, not causing more damage, because social workers removed them because of circumstances zibuhlungu, ne? Hoping that babazisa in a better
safe
place.
home, yeah.
Yes. Not knowing into yobana nam ngoku apha
adding.
I'm adding more. Yebo. Then it's where it lays my heart into yobana, you know what? Let me go and do a social work. Then that will make me to have better understanding on how to deal with these kids. But this time, ke ngoku, I will come back helping the foster parents that are taking care of these kids to give them so that they can understand behavior yababantwana and how to handle or how to deal with behavior yabo. Because I will be a professional social worker, not a foster parent when I'm done with my degree.
But now, uzomthini umntana? Where you gonna work? Because you're gonna go study full time. Ithini le nto? How you gonna do all of this?
Then that was the whole thing, because even I get discouraged by many people. No one actually supported my decision.
Really?
Yes.
Sure.
4 years at university. Are you crazy? You have umntwana, a baby, 8 months, but you want to go to school full time. There is UNISA. Why not UNISA? Why not go to
Yeah,
UNISA?
but why didn't you go to uni? That's a good question.
Yes.
Why didn't you?
You apply to University of Stellenbosch.
yeah.
You want to be there full time. What are you going to do about it? Uzawutya ntoni umntwana?
But why didn't you apply unis?
I also think of UNISA, ne? But kum kwakukhona lento ithi go to the University of Stellenbosch.
So I wanted to go to the best.
Yeah. No, and then I know is the best.
Oh, okay.
To be honest, I really and ndandingekho
Aware of that.
But kwakhona nje into ethi mandi apply University of Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
And ngoku ndi-aplayayo, ndi-aplaya only kula university. As that abantu were asking me into yobana, hayi ke ngoku xa u-aplaya uthenza to apply kwi-university eyi-one, what
Eyi-one,
if awuthathwanga? Ndithi, hey guys, mna I'm just following lo mntu ndilidayo.
And that's God.
You see, so I don't want to listen kwizinto ezithethwa ngabantu. I want, and I'm just following the leadership of the Holy Spirit where He is leading me. Because in my heart, firstly, ndaningazi na uba Stellenbosch University kufuneka uthini, but wavele kwakho into ethi mandiye phaya.
Yeah, and I know at that time they were giving bursaries, ne?
Xa ndifika phaa kwathiwa hayi nazi ii-forms sakuncedisa.
Yeah.
Ndenza ndogqitywa fekwa kwi-system inoba within 2 months I've got a reply into yobana ndithathiwe. Ne? Xa okay ndithathwe, then what ke ndizofunda njani? I went back there uba okay ndiyifumene I'm accepted, but I don't know ke uba ndizawufunda ngantoni because andinamali. Kodwa aplayela u-NSFAS.
Yeah.
I applied for NSFAS same day nda-approva
Wow.
uba ndiyamfumana u-NSFAS.
Sure.
Kwabuza indawo yohlala unayo, ndithi hayi andinayo. Kwathiwa okay sakufunela accommodation. Same day ndamka sendide ndasiwa kwindawo endizawuhlala kuyo.
Uphi umntana uzomhlala uzohlala naye
Umntana
umntana?
ndisenaye andikayazi uba ndizawuthini. Yomntana ndiyicinga noyicinga, but kukho le nto ifuna uba let me do this.
4 years.
Yes.
That's 48 months.
So I came back ke ngoku ndahlala phansi ndicinga okay kayene there is umntwana and ke ngoku umntwana ndikwazi umsa kumamam because isimo
The
sakhe
situation,
akazukwazi
yeah.
ukundikhulisela umntana. So ndizothini kanene. Then ndathi ke ngoku xa ndithetha notata womntwana wathi hayi isumntana kumamam, umama akazuba nangxaki uzawukhulisela umntana. Then okay ndizawusa umntana ePietermaritzburg, ndizamsa ngani, ndizawuya ngantoni, andinamali yoya ePietermaritzburg. Kwakhona umntu ondincokole naye
Yeah.
about this xa ndibuza uba umntwana ndizamthinda, xa umntu ndimfumene umntu omgcina umntana ePietermaritzburg but
But
angazi uba
now this is the
ndizawuya
challenge,
njani.
yeah.
Wabuza uba ufuna uya nini, ndamxelela. Ndazibona ndifumana i-message ethi ndibhukishelwe i-flight
Sure.
eya eMaritzburg, ne?
Yeah.
I-return. Then xa ndisothuka uba hayibo, ndaba nako noba excited.
Yeah.
Ndizawuya njani ke ngoku e-airport?
Airport.
Wa-offerisha i-transport
Wow.
ezawundisa e-airport. Xa ndiseflightini ke into eyandihlekisayo ndiyaqala mos uhamba ngeflight.
Yeah, first time
So
flying.
yes, so ndifika ke ngoku kuyaseva apha ne
Yeah.
i-breakfast. Hayi ndithi thank you andinayo imali.
Because cima funeka ubhatale.
Kodwa no,
It's free.
it's part of your ticket.
That's when ACA was still good. Uyabhatala ngo? So that's when things were still okay. But anyway, sorry.
So ndiyaba sorted indaba
Yeah.
yomntwana. Then kwathiwa okay imali ye-grant yomntana you can use it for yourself, umntana will be taken care of.
Wow, kutsho
stress.
umakhulu. Wow.
Stress. So I started ke as a university, but ndava into yobana kukhona ibhasari ka-DSD, but I don't know isebenza njani. uGerrit wayeselapha eVision Africa at that time.
Yeah.
Wanikeza
Vision Africa is a non-profit organization that isekhona that ilapha ekhaya Mandi. Yeah, so yayinceda abantu. Gerrit was back then the manager ne?
Yes,
of the
he
center.
was the
Yes.
manager.
Shout out to you, Gerrit. I see you.
So he assisted me into yobana ndi-aplaye for that bursary. The day ndiyosubmit forms e-university, ndafika kulo mama uMrs Williams ndamxeba ndinezi forms zebhasari, I don't know uba ziswaphi. Wathi oh you ufike in the right time because i-courier eqokelela ezi forms it's gonna be here within 5 minutes.
Wow.
Izisa eCape Town kwa-DSD. After
DSD
that,
is Social Development.
Department of Social
Yes,
Development.
yes.
Yes. After that, kwathiwa kuba khona interviews for selection.
For the bursaries.
Yes.
Okay.
Kula interview, kuye kufuna izinto mose zabazali ntoni.
Yeah.
Like, no, I don't have anything for abazali. Why ungenazo? Ndithi hayi base Eastern Cape and
Yeah.
kuzafuneka uba ndiyazifuna ndizame uba babe nemali yoye town
Town, yeah,
baphinde
it's gonna be-
bafexe.
yeah.
It's gonna take
A long time.
But during the interview, what surprised me is that bavele bathi aba bantu bakwa social development, hayi man, siyakunika le bursary
Wow.
ngoba as sithetha nawe sifilisha into yobana you are the social worker esiyidingayo
Wow,
okanye edingekayo
edingekayo,
kweli
sure.
xesha. So ngenxa yeso sizathu noba awunazo ezi zinto zifunekayo but we will grant it to you.
Sure.
Ndaba ndiyayifumana kanjalo ndiyaqhubeleka ndiyafunda, with that ndakwazi usupport ifamily, ndakwazi nosupport umntana.
Sure. Just like that.
Just
So
like that.
everything worked out, like the Bible says, all things work out for the good for those who love the Lord and are called according to his purpose.
Yes.
So lo vesi wena iyaphila. It's a living testimony.
It's a living testimony.
Wow. Man, there's so much to ask. So, and the story, so much to continue. So wafunda le 4 years. Did you pass in record time? Okanye?
Yes.
Wow. So after usokole matric for about 2 years, but degree yakho you got it waqaba in record
4
time.
years, yes. And when I started, bathi masenze i-extended degree due to i-background yam. Kuba ndenze i-matric night school. So maybe ukungena kwi-mainstream can be a challenge.
Okay.
Nangenxa ye-age.
Yeah.
Because bendike ndane-gap
Yeah.
ebendingafundi ngayo.
Ngayo, yeah, yeah.
So ba-advise into yobana mandenze u-5 years ndiqale kwi-extended ndenze omnye unyaka ndingenzi social work, then ke kunyaka olandelayo ndiyoqala.
When's the 5 years?
No, azange ndivume.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Kwakhona into ethi kum, no, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. But okay, if you say so, siyakunika ke i-chance yoba from February until March, if uyaziva into yobana you are not coping, come back to us.
And let us know.
Sizokutshintsha. But if uze later after March, then we can't change you.
Yeah.
That, no, I trust God. Uzondinceda ndizawufunda 4 years apha ndibe out.
Record time.
Record time.
Why
And
gqibela
I
4
did
years?
that ndenza la 4 years and I was out.
But also during that time in university, I know it was not easy, you know, because ke wawungaphangeli and so forth. Uhlale res. How was that? Was it tough? And I know the story. But if you wanna share it, uba i-roommate yakho at some point yakhipha ke ungatyi and all of that. Tell us that story.
No, it
Quickly
was not-
before Sival.
It was not easy, ne? Rezi, because babe sentshilo ba okay, as much as ndandifumana le mali ka DSD,
Yeah.
but I have to share it.
Nomntana.
Yes.
Yes.
So ibingabikho enough ngenxa yezo zizathu. So ndizotya loo nto ikhoyo xa kuyingekho, it's okay. As a result kuba kukho i-oats nebisi neswekile nesonka namaqanda, that's a grocery for me, because at least izawundiqhuba until ndiphinde ndibe
Uphinde ube
right.
right.
Yes. But ke ndaye ndaqonda okay, let mandiphakame ndiyofuna umsebenzi.
While
Then I
you while
get-
ufunda.
I get a job eWimpy. uWimpy selapha emall.
Emall, yeah,
Pha opposite to Checkers.
Yeah.
Then ndaphangela phayana eWimpy, bamane bendifaka xa ndine gaps kwi timetable yam. But a timetable yam bajonge ba banzawundi roster njani according to my timetable.
So you
Then
are
nge-holiday-
working while you are at the varsity.
Yes, nge-holiday ke undiphangele benzenza imali nyani ke nge-holiday, because bendiphangela the whole holidays.
Yeah.
Okanye ngezinye iholiday ndiphangele nje ndicela nje uphangela nje 2 weeks, then enye 2 weeks ndiye emntwaneni
Yeah.
eMaritzburg just to keep i-contact nomntwana.
Oh wow.
Yes. And God was faithful even there, because I remember kungoJune ndifuna ukuya, and then imali yami yayincinci ke ngoku because ndifuna ukuthenga neempahla i-winter, zeempahla ze-winter. So kwakho into ethi kum, khawuye kwaCheckers uyojonga ibhasi uba izawuba yimali.
Malini, yeah.
Xa ndithe kwaCheckers ndifike ndithi andizanga kubhukisha, ndizojonga nje ibhasi eMaritzburg uba ingayimalini. Ajonge lo sisi xa isithi athi uhamba ngebhasi ndithi uGreyhound, athi yi-120. Ndithi,
Sure?
are you sure? Athi ewe ndisho, ndabe ndine-150 apha ngoku.
Wabhukisha
Ndathi
kona ngoku?
ndiyayibhukisha ngoku, ndakhupha i-120 yam ndabhukisha. Wathi uba yimisteyiki sisi yeyabo, ayiyo kaCheckers, ayiyo yakho.
Yeah.
Then with this ticket ke nguye 120, abantu masithi yo wena uzawujikiswa pha. Xa ndifika kujonga itikiti akwathethwa kwathiwa sithi namba abantu bandam ndawohlala. Umntwana uyalezi because ethetha.
Yeah.
Mama ngicela undiphathele ibhega nechips.
Yeah.
Mind undine 30 rand cha.
Sure.
Xa sifika andisakhumbuka kokuphi kwesi stop sasifike kuso, but kwathiwa kuba ibhasi ibike yama ixesha elide ine-technical
Ngxaki, yeah.
challenges, sizothengelwa i-burger meals kwaSteers.
Sure.
So sathengelwa i-burger meal kwaSteers, umntu nomntu
burger
wane-burger
meal
meal
yakhe.
ne? Then
Sure.
ndaqonda hayi ke mna ke andiyityi eyam
I-burger
i-burger
meal,
meal.
uphathele umntana.
Ungenandlini wam. Ndayifaka
30 rand yakhe yaseyiveka.
30 rand yam ndathenga nje amanzi, ndasela amanzi ndaba right.
You know, Sesfala, I always say to you, and you know, they always say this. You know, abanye abantu uThixo bamva ngabanye abantu. Abanye abantu bamva through eBhayibhelini. Abanye, I don't know. But I always say, you know, ibali lakho for me, and I know it's still long, alikaphilile, is that when uThixo, and I always say this to you, you've seen God. Like uThixo umbonile esebenza ebomini bakho. Literal, like umbonile from that time kuseNgcobo right up until today, even with ezinye kungakastate, you've seen God. So I think God has really favored you. And you're one of the people that can't see the testimony yakhe, I'm just like, yeah man, you uThixo umbonile, you've seen God. Yes, my dog, wanna say something?
Mawugqibile.
Yeah, I'm not done, but you can say something.
No, I was just thinking, ndivuke ubufundisi bam.
Oh, okay. My dog,
So,
those needs.
I think when I'm listening kuye, I'm reminded of the scripture as Psalms 37.
One of my favorite
Verses,
Psalms.
verses 22. It those the Lord blesses will inherit. No, I think in Kalegut. Okay, yeah, right. It those the Lord blesses will inherit the land, but those he curses will be destroyed. It the Lord makes firm the steps of the one who delights in him.
Yeah.
Though he may stumble, he will not fall. The Lord uphold him with his hands. So I think listening to his story, Sake, I mean, uNkulunkulu came where things seem very impossible. You understand?
I mean, especially with the beggar meal.
I mean, look, yeah, it's just sometimes we would think, oh, this is luck.
Yeah.
Do you get the idea?
Yeah.
It's a mistake. It's because he
Yeah.
passed. You
Yeah.
understand? But when you look at the connection,
You realize.
see how Utiko, because the firming of the step is God affirming you, is God,
Yeah.
rooting you into. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it reminds me of this scripture. I think the other one says that our steps are ordered by God.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? So I think this journey you can truly see Utiko.
So, Mdomcha or Mdomdala, if this was not enough to convince you that yes, you are Sindisa, I don't know what will, but if you are behind that camera, you're on that phone or you're on that screen, and you want to accept Christ, and I never did this on the show and I've never actually thought I'll do it, but you can accept Christ. Uyesu uyaphila, Jesus is alive and Jesus works. Uyasebenza. So yeah, but thank you so much for sharing your story. I really appreciate Bantuzokubiza because I know your stories alphelelanga apho liyaqhubekeka. For
Part 2.
yes, there's a part 2 that will call you for so that you can just journey with us on that part 2 so that abantu bayazi noba uphi again. What happened after that, the
Exactly.
graduation? And for me, that's one of the best parts, what happened, and you taking that leap of faith, and also want to ask you some fun questions, Kabelin, So I think we'll definitely call you again. But thank you so much for coming. Really, really appreciate it. And thank you so much for sharing your story. I know good Team Hlambi, it was not easy, because it's a public platform, but we really appreciate that. And I hope, it encourages you up, because this is the whole point of the show, is actually to bring hope and encourage to say, Osuke Ngcobo is now a qualified social worker for years, and they work within the community of Kayamandi, and they've done great work up. And that's what this show is also about, Uguti, we encourage our local heroes, abantu that don't get recognition, don't get Grammys, Oscars and all of that, but that actually do great work within our communities. And just to say, now we're on a poop, you come from a similar situation, Uguti Itembal Konam, that's a guy, there is hope for you, And anyone that knows me, slogan Sam is this: never ever give up. Don't you ever do that. That's the easiest thing to do. Don't you ever do it. Anyway, we are out of here. Mad Dog, any last words?
Siyambonga sis Elizabeth. Is Elizabeth Felicia?
Mavis.
Maybe. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and put on the notification bell so that's of my notification. But thank you so much. We are here.